Greetings everyone, I'm Emrata. This is another video. Today in this video I want to show you how to enter Mexc exchange with referral code or get commission kickback code, discount code. This is our website, you see. We should click Mexc referral code page. We clicked. Now we are in Mexc page. This is your code and you should click this banner. We clicked and we came sign up page on Mexc. You fill your form. Don't forget this code must be here and click sign up. Everything's so easy. Now after how we start trade, click Mexc global first page. After create your account, don't forget you should complete your KYC approval. After you should click buy crypto or trade or market. We should click spot market trade. This is MX token page. If you want, you should find cryptocurrency here, for example BTC. You see BTC USDD in here. We clicked. This is trade page. Red color sellers, green color buyers. You will add money in here and start trade, buy and sell. It's so easy. If you need more information about Mexc exchange, you should visit our website. Thank you. Wish you a good day. Emre Ata.